Hi guys, today we're playing Slack Tower. Oh, something's wrong. Something's wrong. No, not that. No, that's wrong. What is it? Uh, bro. Mm. I guess I can show my face to you guys who's watching this. I don't know. I just this. What is this? No. Okay. While using the app. Yippee! You can see me now, guys. Just will go back to Roblox. Okay. I think that's a little bit too big. Okay. My hand is blocking the screen. Why is my hand blocking the screen? I shouldn't have took the ladder. I got took but the laser. I have 0 Robux and shortcut. No! We have to restart. I want to shortcut. I don't want to use the long. Are you serious, Managa? Are you serious, Managa? Are you serious, Managa? What the hell happened? What the hell happened? Okay. Why is it not working? Why can you not see me? No. Bro, why did this keep happening? Okay. So guys, my Roblox is malfunctioning. I'll just make a new video. Bye guys. Yeah, that's cringe. Oh, how to end this?